nearly all the metrics we track are trending in the wrong direction. Our 30-day daily average of new cases is nearly 900 per day, and our 14-day average is nearly 1,100, which indicates a pretty steep increasing trend over time. And while these statewide overall numbers are concerning, there are some specific trends that I think are worthwhile to sort of focus in on, and that's what we're going to do today. We are watching with increasing concern the rising number of cases in younger populations. Last week, we had 630 cases identified among teens aged 13 to 17 years of age. That represents a record in Idaho for the entire pandemic. Case rates are increasing among this particular age group at the fastest rate when we compare them to other age groups. Although the increase in case rates among children 5 to 12 are not far behind their 13 to 17-year-old peers, which are displayed on your screen here. So we've also observed an increasing number of deaths due to COVID-19 recently. Currently, we're getting anywhere between 10 to 20 death notifications per day. And if you compare that to the number we were seeing in June, when we were getting roughly 1 to 3 per day, that puts that increase into perspective. The most concerning aspect of the increasing number of deaths being reported is that the recent COVID-19 deaths are occurring in much younger people than we saw earlier in the pandemic. So these two donut charts are basically comparing deaths during the time frame of mid-April through the second week of September during 2020 and 2021. So the same time periods in each year. And what I want you to pay attention to is that in 2020, over half the deaths in Idaho were occurring among people 80 years of age or older, represented by that beautiful lavender color on the donut on the left-hand side. Compare that to this year, where over half of the COVID-19 deaths are among Idahoans who are between the ages of 50 and 79, and that's the green color on the donut on the right. It's a much younger population losing their lives to COVID-19 this year. And furthermore, the percentage of all deaths that are occurring among all COVID deaths that are occurring among people 18 to 49 years has doubled this year compared to the same time last year. Thankfully, it's still less than 1 out of every 10 fatalities happening to younger adults in Idaho. But these are two examples of the concerning trends that we are seeing in our cases most recently.